Hey guys, I'm back and today I'm going to teach you how to make your moveset. Okay, so jumping straight into it, you're going to go to play animations and then make a new folder. I've already made one here. I named it one of my styles, which is Yukimaya. And then you want to just add another folder inside that folder called first move. And then in that you want to add your animation for it, just like this. And then you want to just put it in play animations, like that. And you want to do this for every style you have. I'm going to remove Rin, so I won't be doing that one today. So I'll show you guys how to make your own styles. So once you've done that, make sure that the animation is actually like a kick animation, like whatever animation you want for the move. So after you've done that, you want to go to ball control and then navigate to this part right here where I did the Isagi direct shot video. Then you want to just copy what I write here. Okay, so right here you want to put this as the style, as the name of the style that you put. So obviously I'm going to put Yukimaya, and then boom. Then you just want to clone it like this. Equals gyro shot right here, which is the move that I put in first move. I'm going to make sure that these are exactly the same as you've written here. And boom. Then just do the necessary. Okay, so once you've done that, this is how it should be looking. Well, you've got your own style there, and then you've got the own style move right here. And then make sure once again that these are exactly the same, like in text. If you're not sure, you may as well just copy it and then paste it here, just to make sure that they're exactly the same, or else it won't work. So just make sure that the move you put here has the same name as the text you put in here, and the style as well. So after you've done that, obviously I'm doing Yukimaya, so you guys should already have this. If you go to kick handler and then go to scroll down to model jump move, then past direct shot, you should see gyro shot. So once you go here, you just want to make sure it looks exactly like mine, because I made a couple changes to it. Wait, I think I can zoom in, but yeah, just make sure it looks exactly like mine does. It's like this, so that it'll work. But if you know how to make your own move, you can make your own move, obviously. But then yeah, so now let's test. Let's bring up the output just to see if anything goes wrong. Am I on Yukimaya? I'm on Yukimaya. Okay, so now let's get the ball and let's press C. And as you can see, wait. Okay guys, I did make a mistake here. So you wanna do else if arcs equals Yukimaya, then remove this end right here. I'm not used to this new UI. It looks weird, but yeah. Yeah, this is how you want it to be looking, the ball control script. Now if we test it, it should work. Now let's press C. Oh, yeah, it works, but it's too instant. So we're gonna go back and let's sort this out. Okay, so we're gonna go back to kick handler, and then I forgot to make it play the animation. So it's not that hard. All you have to do is go here, just copy this, and go back, and go to your thing over here, and then paste it. And then make sure this is the name of your move, because this is a cooldown. Essentially, this is how long your character will be stunned for whilst doing the move. This is the cooldown, and then this is the length of the cooldown. Wait, hold up, I've got a little issue. Okay, so what this is the cooldown, and then this is how long the ball will be unable to be picked up by anyone once it's shot. And then this is to stop the player from being able to receive the ball. So once you've done that, you want to make sure that this is in sync. This number right here is in sync with your animation. So what I'm going to do is open animation, just to make sure that it is in sync. Let's do that right now. Okay, so as you can see, I kicked the ball at 0.4 seconds right here in the animation. So I'm going to go to kick handler and I'm going to set this to 0.4 so that it is in sync. And then I'm going to go to this right here, this, and then you want to change it to where you stored your animation. So obviously Yukimaya, then gyro shots, and then now it should be working perfectly. Oh, now it should be working perfectly. Yep. And as you can see, it has the curve, the little swaz as well. Well, it goes above, but yeah. You can change that by stopping this and then going to the kick handler, and then you can change the height that it receives right here. You can change the power here, and then once again you can change how high it goes by decreasing this. Let me change it to like 2. Let's start again. Then if we shoot, it shouldn't go as high. Yeah, you can see, you can just change it like that. So that's how you add your own styles. It's just that simple. You just need to learn how to make your own animations and then just copy the name into the ball control and the kick handler. But yeah, once you've done that, now let's get on to making the UI for the styles. I forgot to mention, as I was editing, I forgot to tell you guys, if you want to add the style that you made to be rollable, all you have to do is open the style handler in JavaScript service and then data, and then you just want to add it to whatever rarity you want. Just add the name of the style. So let's say I make another folder called Rin, or not Rin, maybe like Kaiser maybe, and then I want it to be legendary. We have to just put a comma here and then put the name, and boom, that's it. Okay, so first what I'm gonna do, you want to go to Start GUI, go to main, and then just make a new frame, or yeah, a new frame or a new text label. I'd prefer a text label because that's more simple. Then you just want to size it properly. Oops. I'm just gonna make this as simple as possible for now, so I'm just gonna do it like this. Then I'm gonna name this move1 just as a template. Move2. And let's give them a little border. Alright, so boom. Then you want to name this one move1, and then this one move2. Okay. So once you've done that, you wanna go back to main and then make a new local script. You can name it move is whatever. So what we're gonna do in this script is we're gonna show the name of our move in this, we're gonna show the name of our move if it's on cooldown, and then yeah. So what we're gonna do is just follow what I do. Okay, so guys, what the script does is it essentially changes the color of this box right here when you use a move, and it goes on cooldown, and also changes the name as well. So essentially what this is the color that's going to be when it's off cooldown. You can change this however you like, and mine is blue. Then this is the color that's going to be on when it is on cooldown. I've got mine as grey, but you can change it however you like. So now we're going to test if this works. You can see it's got my move gyro shot here. Then if I use it, it goes on cooldown, becomes grey. Then let's just wait 10 seconds. Well, a few seconds. Then it should turn, yep, and it's off cooldown. And we can use it again, just like that. And yeah, it's that simple, guys. That's how you make moves. Just need to see if it works for other styles. As you see, I'm Isagi. Direct shot. Press C and use it. Goes on cooldown. And then, yeah. Okay, so guys, some of you guys have been having an issue with like the data store thing. So I'm gonna make this clear first. I'm gonna make sure that you have this in server storage. It's a bool value called Save in Studio, and then you wanna select it to true. If you don't have it, all you have to do is press this plus, then press bool value, and then just copy what it says right here, and then make it true. And then yeah, and then you wanna go to your game settings, which I need to figure out how to do. Yeah, just go to file and press game settings, and then you want to go to security, I think it is, and then you want to make sure that this is on. If this isn't on, then your data store won't work and your stats won't be there. So if you're having this issue, make sure you turn this on, and also make sure you publish the game, so that will work. And then yeah, that's it for the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching. Peace.